Yan. Really very nice. So where's the fish? There you are. Nice. Saan ka pa may postcard na ganito? Zoom in natin. Gumagalaw yung ulap, gumagalaw yung wave, tapos merong fisherman na Japanese, and apparently ang ganda ng ng fish, very colorful.